to show you the another recipe that is going to be a salad. Today I'm going to show you a salad, and that's going to be very healthy, protein rich, easy, simple way. I recommend this salad for lunch or dinner, or you can have this after workout. I think salad can be so much more exciting than regular dinner. They unlock a load of different flavors and textures. For this, you need carrots, capsicum, tomatoes, chili, cilantro, and sweet corn. First, wash this and soak in water for 10 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can make dressing for this salad. So, dressing is very important because this is the secret to enrich your any salad so that you really enjoy your food. For this salad, I am making sesame dressing. For this, we need to dry roast the sesame seeds. I have taken here 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds and roast till it get golden color. Remember not to burn. So keep this aside, let it cool. Now we will take the mixer jar. For the mixer jar we are going to add 4 dates. Remember to remove the seeds, sometimes we will forget it, right? So remember to remove the seeds and add half a chili. I have taken here half, that is enough for me. You can go ahead and take one if you want. And 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder and half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I have added 2 tablespoons. And now add the roasted sesame seeds. I have taken 3 tablespoons. And last one is quarter cup of water. Add this and grind this into smooth paste. It's done. It's very nice creamy texture. Okay, now we will move on to the veggies. I have cut these veggies into lengthwise. Here I have taken carrots, capsicum, tomatoes, cilantro, and chili. For the sweet corns, what I have done is like I have burned that sweet corn on the gas itself, direct gas. Then I have peeled it. So what we have to do is just add these all veggies in a mixing bowl and give a nice mix together. For this I have added roasted peanuts and raisins. If you want you can add any nuts of your choice, and grated coconut, sprinkle some, and at the end finally the secret thing is this dressing, sesame seed dressing, and decorate with some mint leaves or cilantro leaves, whatever you have in handy. It's done. I am presenting you a high protein veggie salad recipe. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks very delicious, right? And you guys are going to love this salad. How it was very easy, right? You can also make this. It's very simple, easy, and let me know in the comment how it turned out, right? And give a break to your digestive system. Instead of having that regular dinner, have this sometimes salads. It's healthy too. Okay, see you in the next video. Namaste.